Hey, it's Gareth and Janet from Port Monkeys, and this is St. John's Anglican Church in Belize, Anglican Cathedral to be exact, in Belize City, Belize. I want you to notice that it says Gareth right there, and a lucky 13. There's some service going on over here, but it looks like they're setting up for a wedding, doesn't it? It's not very big. We've got a donation box. We put some money in there for restoration. They're working on the place, right? Got a little bit of stained glass, a little bit of green glass. If that's original or what? See, every so often there's a green pane. Anyway, it's St. John's Anglican Church in Belize City, Belize.